Hello, you're welcome. In this video tutorial, we'll explain you City Bus Search Tool. It's a software project demo. This project is developed using Visual Basic.NET, but you can, using this idea, you could be able to write this project in any other language. This project idea is useful for all computer science students who are learning VB, CSharp, Java, Python, Android, or any other language. As you all know, as far as syllabus, you're supposed to do a project. So in order to do a project in any of these languages, you need an idea. You need a topic. So this is one such topic. So you can choose this topic. Based on this, you can able to write a project using any of these languages. So what is this project is all about? So this project is basically city bus search tool. You know, in every city there are city buses. So if you take in Bangalore, we call it the BMTC, and particularly the main bus stop is a Majestic. Right now, if you take a Majestic, there are buses will come here. So there's a platforms. We divide into platforms. So platform 1, 2, 3 like this. So these are the buses. So one has to schedule this, then users, so they can search the bus. User can search the bus who want to go from A to B place. When you're searching, you know like which platform the bus stands, and therefore you can go to that corresponding platform and catch up that bus. Along with that, you can buy the pass, bus pass. And also we would like to provide additional buses like tourist bus or open top bus, and also round trip bus. So round trip bus is the one actually, if this is a city, so that bus will go along this route and then come back to the same location or to the Majestic. So it'll go there and then rotate completely and then come back. That's the round trip buses. So all this we want to manage, and for user it should be easier for them to select the buses. And here is also an idea, we can provide kiosk, so display system, where user can go to this display system and they can use this display system to search from here to from which place to which place, and the list would come over here. Or they can able to buy the ticket, or they can able to buy the pass via this kiosk or this dispatch center. Right. So these are the ideas in this project. So therefore, you have a city bus, so multiple city buses. So there should be a registration option. And once you talk about bus types will be there. And then schedule the bus. So this bus goes from which place to which place. So this is go from A to B, that registration has to be done. Then next, users, they can log in and they can search for the buses. Software requirement, these are the requirement for this particular project. Project forms, so you can see that many forms you are using. So one is a flash screen to show the title, login form to log into the project, MDA parent to have a menu, and here it help us to navigate between the rest of the forms. Module, then pass entry form, so here you can enter the passes. Place name, so which are the places the bus goes, so therefore you can schedule from place to place. Platform, as I discussed already in a bus stop, what platform it is. Round trip, so this to enter the buses who go for round trip. Passes, buy pass, user can buy the pass. Search, so search the round trip vehicle. This is to tourist vehicle. This is to search the vehicle. So you want to search the vehicles, you can use this. User option form, vehicle assign. So vehicle assign is nothing but scheduling. Vehicle detail, this is the individual vehicle detail. Vehicle make, which make it is. Vehicle, tourist vehicle, so this is the open top vehicles, so that details we can enter in this form. Vehicle type form, what type of vehicle it is, type, that we can enter in the vehicle type form. So these are the different forms. So therefore, in order to make a mini project, at least you require 12 to 16 forms. So that's how we can design the forms, or you can name the forms. Later you need to design like what should be there in each form, and based on that we need to enter the data. What data we enter in each form, so it should go to the corresponding table. So now let us look at the database tables. What are the tables we are using here? So we are using around 10 tables here. One is a login table, pass type, place name, platform, round trip, vehicle assign, vehicle main, vehicle model, vehicle tourist, vehicle type. As the name indicate, so this corresponding data will come to this particular table. So we already know the forms. From that particular forms, the data will come to this particular tables. So this is a table, and we need to know the table structure also. What are the columns are there? So then in a form, what are the fields we are providing? There should be corresponding column to send that value to the corresponding table. Project demo, I'll demonstrate the project and I'll show you the project how it works. So before getting to the project, please subscribe to our channel, so it will help us to bring more videos. Fine. So I just moved to the Visual Basic. So here we have already opened the project. Here is the Solution Explorer. You can see all the files or forms. So these are the forms which are using in this project. And the other side, if you come to Database Explorer, you can see bus search data.mdf with this MDF file. And here these are the tables. These are the different tables. Right. Now what we can do is we can run the project. So it'll straight away come to the MDF form. But you want to run from the login form, so then we need to change the project and then you have to go to startup form. So here you need to choose login form, or you can choose flash screen. So I'll just close this. If I see the flash screen, okay, so it should start from here. Right, so now you can see that it's from the welcome screen. So this is a Majestic bus stop. This screen will be there for 5 seconds. After that it automatically moves to the login form. So here you can log in. So this is admin, then admin. Okay. Fine. So it may be different. So right. Let me check it out. What is the password? So therefore I go to login table, show table data. So we don't have any credentials here. Therefore I'll just add up the credentials first. So now it should take admin and then admin. Okay. Right. So then you go to master entries. So here is a vehicle type. So what type of vehicle? So we have one called the black board. Then you can have a red board. So this is the bus type actually. So red board. Right. So maybe you call by different names. Then what are the different type of vehicles? So that names you have to enter here. Then vehicle model or make, from which make or which company manufacture these vehicles. So then you say Mercedes. So these are bench vehicles. The next one is a place name. Which are the places the bus goes? So next one is I can write as Rajaji Nagar. So save this. Right. So now we enter the main details. Now go to pass price. So there is a day pass, so 45 rupees. Holo bus 85 rupees. Then you have a blackboard. So only allowed in blackboard. Right. So this cost is around 45 rupees. Okay. Save this. So next is the vehicle details. So here you need to fill up the individual vehicle details. So you have to click new and enter all the details. Then you have to save this. If you want to modify, you can click the data here and then make changes. What are the changes you would like to do? Then you can click the modify button and done. So these are the vehicles. Next is the platform details. So you have a platform number. So let's say 100. This platform details. Airport going buses. So the buses will be there here which are go to airport. Number of buses can stand here 6. Okay, so there is a 6 bus can stand here. That is a provision. Save this. Now vehicle assign. So regular vehicles. So here you need to schedule actually. So route number. Now if there is a vehicle from Majestic to Vijayanagar VJ101 R11. Okay. So here is a vehicle number. So which vehicle? This is 112. From place this Majestic. Leaving time. So what time it will leave? So it's 6 o'clock in the morning. To place. So this is Vijayanagar. So I'll reach by 7 o'clock. It will take almost 1 hour. So this is the platform number 85. Save this. So therefore we made one more timetable or scheduling. So this vehicle is scheduled now. Then the same way there is a tourist vehicles. So these tourist vehicles, so leaves what time, so reaching what time, and what is the total price, and what is the platform to take this bus. Here you can write this is the open top bus. So it will take from Majestic to all other places. That we can write down here, and then we can able to modify this. So next one is a city round buses. Okay, so all the buses has to go from one place to other place and then come back, whereas round buses go one place and then complete the round and then they'll come back. So this is the round buses. So all we can enter it here. So round buses 2. Okay, so one extra column that we need to reduce here. So otherwise you click new button and enter all the details. So now for user. So for user these options are provided. Search vehicles. So you want to search the vehicle from Majestic to Vijayanagar. When you click search, you can see now there are 2 vehicles which are available for the user. Next, buy passes. So you want a pass from Blackboard. So if you click this 45 rupees and you need to pay this and you have to get the pass. Then check tourist buses. So this one bus for tourist buses. Round trip bus, there is a one round trip bus. So these are the options which are provided for the user. This we can make kiosk or you can make a display unit. So there this information will be displayed, and user whenever they want informations, they can click the corresponding option and they can get the informations. So this is all about city bus search tool. So this presently developed in Visual Basic. As we discussed already, using this idea, you can develop this project in any other languages also. Keep try. So if you are successful to complete this project in any of these languages, you gain an experience. In IT, experience is very important. In the beginning, it is too difficult to write the program, but if you keep trying, you can able to complete the complete project. So we wish all the best for you. So keep try yourself. Therefore, you get the maximum benefit. Thank you for watching this video. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So please subscribe. Therefore, we'll bring more videos on day-to-day basis. You will get the benefit of it.